Jubilation across the globe for technicians, engineers, and maintenance managers. Introducing Julio CMMS, the first and the only maintenance management software integrated into a content management system, opening a world of possibilities only achievable by this integration. All working together to reduce maintenance costs, increase asset lifespan, minimize breakdowns, and reduce downtime. Challenging it could be to a maintenance manager keeping all equipment running well in the midst of trouble calls, emails, missing parts, audits, and time constraints. A modern computerized maintenance management system comes to the rescue. This is a software that helps you track your maintenance operations, manage your assets and inventory, keeping all your data in a central location, possibly accessible remotely from a PC or mobile device, increasing efficiency. Julio CMMS takes it to another level. It provides these functions of a regular CMMS and more, and also allows you to capture full storage contents, linking them to your work orders and assets. For example, the senior technician is retired with all his knowledge of the little details. The operation manual says something slightly different from what he sees on ground. All his colleagues he calls for assistance do not have the answer because such a problem has not repeated in the last 7 years. Their only maintenance record says the work was done, completed, and approved. Every work being done here is going to be reworked at a cost. But with Julio CMMS, that would not have been so. You can digest the operation manual, write your own articles and article categories, showing the details, modifications, deployment techniques, and nuances of the job done. You can leave instructions on what to do in case of a repeat without word limits, making it the best CMMS for knowledge retention and knowledge transfer. This is what a father would want to hand over to his own son. Take a look. Let's say this is your website. Julio CMMS comes with pages and modules. With Julio CMMS installed, you can add these menu items to your website or intranet, linking to Julio pages, and grant access to members of a particular user group. We just added 5 out of over 65 possible pages. Work orders shows a list of your work orders with filters. You can make it all look different using a different theme template. This is work orders in Demo 1 site using another theme. This is work orders at the administration backend. You can associate external links to any work order, and so with menu items and articles categories. Owners of the pages of the external links may change their content or may not be available when you need them most, but you can always trust your own archive. Julio CMMS modules can be added both to Julio pages and to any other page on your website. This tight integration can help you create even engaging content for after work consumption, meditation, inspiration, and looking inwards. And since all the data is with you, sitting on a well-tested and trusted code base, you can easily make your own data analysis modules or hire us. If you just discovered Julio CMMS, this is the way to go. If you were already running on any of the monthly based expensive subscription CMMS services, this is the time to join the wise ones. And if you are yet to decide on a CMMS, look no further. Our solution gives you the codes and a peace of mind. You pay only once. You can decide to host it on a shared server. Change your mind. Dedicated server. Change your mind. Host on premise. Change your mind. Host on the clouds. Change your mind. Ask us to host it as you will. You are fully in control. Join the smooth sale. We will be more than glad to have you. For more details, go to juliocmms.com.